Donna Karan was one of the most influential American fashion brands of the 20th century, rooted in real women's lives and modern New York energy. From her iconic 7 Easy Pieces concept to global success of DKNY, the brand defined an era. But as the business scaled, went public, and was acquired by LVMH and eventually sold to G3, the brand's identity became fragmented. In this episode, we explore as to how the pressure to grow through licensing, mass distribution, and commercial repositioning diluted a once distinctive voice in American fashion. What happened to the brand that once defined urban sophistication? In this episode, we explore as to how scaling fast, shifting ownership, and unclear creative direction transformed Donna Karan from a global fashion force to a cautionary tale in brand identity erosion. Let's start with the origins of the brand, a brand that was built from a point of view. Donna Karan launched her namesake label in 1985 with one of the clearest visions in modern fashion, dressing real women with lives, ambition, and style. Her idea of 7 easy pieces, interchangeable essentials for the working women, redefined American fashion. The tailoring was soft, the silhouette fluid, and the vibe was unapologetically New York. In 1989, she launched DKNY as a younger, more accessible sister line. Both the brands flourished, and at its peak, Donna Karan wasn't just designing clothes, she was designing an identity. This brings us to the growth and the IPO. As momentum built, Donna Karan International went public in 1996. The brand expanded beyond apparel into fragrance, denim, accessories, and home. DKNY became a global name, especially strong in the departmental stores and licensing. The challenge: balancing growth with creative consistency. By the late 90s, Wall Street expectations began to clash with the slow human design philosophy that Karen had championed. This brings us to the LVMH acquisition. In 2001, LVMH acquired Donna Karan International for $643 million. The hope was to build an American luxury house that could compete globally, a kind of a New York Hermes. But the integration was rocky. Donna Karan reportedly felt constrained under the corporate ownership, and the brand struggled to find its place within the LVMH's whole European portfolio. Eventually, Karan stepped down from her namesake label in 2015. That same year, LVMH pulled the plug, selling the brand. What followed was a drastic pivot. The focus shifted towards commercial expansion, especially through licensing and outlet sales. DKNY became heavily discounted and visible in off-price retail stores.